Hello, welcome back to the Far North Food Forest, and it's the end of June, beginning of July. Let's have a quick update on a miniature forest garden. Okay, let's have a look. So here we go, we can see everything has moved on quite a bit. So the blackcurrants, you see there, we've now got some good sized blackcurrants coming in there. And the rhubarb has progressed. Apples on the tree, comfrey there. We have some daylilies. You can eat these pods here, or little buds rather. So they're quite spicy, quite nice those. So that's going well. In front here, we have some strawberries, and you can see these are pink onions in here. The chives doing well, no problem at all. The oregano at the front here, lemon balm. So the herbaceous is coming through quite well. This is Skirret, so this is growing up really well. So the herbaceous has come through quite well really, and you can see just how good the Siberian purslane is at covering and smothering everything on the ground, so you don't have much come through that you don't want. There's some mint coming through here, so I suppose that's competing for ground cover. What you don't want it to do is overcome anything in here, so just be aware of just how big and how much you get of the Siberian purslane. But I'll say everything is coming through. This is a lovage just here is coming through. And you get a multiplicity of seeds on here, as you can see. Look at these seeds. So it's definitely doing its ground cover really well. There's wild garlic in there, but that's died back altogether now. Raspberries. Doing fine. This bay willow has grown up a bit more now. So yeah, the shrubs, herbaceous has come through all right. But just, I say, be aware of just how prolific Siberian purslane is. But it certainly does the job of covering the ground really well. So the gooseberries still doing well in here as well. The strawberries doing its best, no problem. You can see here it's actually flowering. That's great. So, yeah, pretty much of a success, I would say. This miniature garden. So we're getting food from here now. So I've just had a strawberry. I might just have one of these little buds off this daylily, which are also quite nice. Okay, so thanks for joining us, the Far North Food Forest, with an update. Sweet Cicely, with an update from a forest garden in miniature.